Welcome back. Today is going to be more of an informative video. We are finally done and caught up with making the daily week-to-week Amazon Influencer Program earning breakdowns video because I finally got caught up. I am now getting paid every single month, or I have been getting paid every single month from the Amazon Influencer Program. They pay you out every, in the beginning, it's 60 days past. So yesterday I got paid for the month of May, because May, June, July. So, sorry, I forgot to turn my computer volume off. Really bad at that. So I just got paid for May. May was a good month, so I just got paid $1,950, I think. Usually I do this breakdown, which I will be going into details very shortly. We'll jump into the computer and go over that. But sometimes that doesn't work out. Sometimes life hits you and you have to pay certain big bills, such as a new refrigerator, and then also we're saving money for turf that we're putting in next month, hopefully, as long as the HOA approves us, vacations, dog expenses, all kinds of things. Life happens when you're an adult, so sometimes this breakdown doesn't work out exactly as I want it to, but other times I try to really stick to this. The last 2 months, it's been really crazy with so many things going wrong with the house and other just life events happening. So I haven't been able to stick to this breakdown, but the first 2-3 months I incorporated this, I was able to stick to that breakdown, and it is an awesome breakdown. Let's go ahead, say hi to the dogs that I'm dog sitting today, and then we'll jump into what I do for the Amazon income breakdown. We, of course, have Maeve and Zulu on the couch. Elsa's actually here, laying on the couch, not hiding. We have Ricky back. I don't know if you can see him under there. Ricky! There we got Goober and Trixie over here, and then Ricky's big old goofy brother, Lee, is laying down over here. And we got Sam. He's actually not laying up on the step. He's laying in the little bit of sunshine that's right there. So we still got lots and lots of dogs. 3 went home yesterday. If you've been watching my videos all week, you saw Kiri, you saw, who else went home yesterday? Nico went home. Kiri, Bella, somebody else went home. But yeah, always crazy at the chalk house. All right, let's go ahead and break down my Amazon income breakdown. Almost said my earnings report because I'm so used to saying that. All right, let's jump in. All right, so here we are into the Amazon income breakdown. So as you can see, there are 3 squares. 2 are bigger, 1 is slightly smaller, so that blue one is slightly smaller. Let's go ahead and check out how I have it broken down. So 37.5%, 37.5%, and 25%. So right now those are just numbers, but I will explain what those numbers mean, and we'll go into a little bit of detail on each of those. So let's go ahead and break down the 25%. So 25% is whatever I want. That means I can spend that money on anything that I want at all. If I want to put it in savings, I can. If I need it for bills, I can. If I want to end up buying more Amazon products, I can. If whatever I want, that money is mine to do whatever the hell I want to do with it. It's 25%. I'm not worried about it. I still have 37.5 and 37.5, so that's 75% going towards other things. Let's go ahead and see what one of those 37.5% goes to. So, 37.5% goes to Amazon products. That is products that I'm purposefully buying to make Amazon influencer videos on. I can write them off. It's a business expense because I'm buying them to be able to make a review video on it, and then down in the future I can make another review video, say, okay, this is what I think after having this product for an entire year, 6 months, however I want to do it. But I do my market research, I discuss with my wife what we need for the house also, and then I'll go and purchase those items with the 37.5% that I have taken out of my total. So I have the 25% that's already going to whatever I want. I have the 37.5 now going to Amazon products. let's check out the next 37.5%. And sorry, that's Chica in the background crying. She might have to go out or something, but I can do that after I finish this video. Next 37.5% is my long-term stocks. So what that means is I take that final 37.5 and I'm putting that into designated stocks, whether that be dividend stocks or growth stocks, whatever kind of stock I have done my research on and have decided that this would be a good investment. I have 3 or 4 that I really like putting my money in. Typically one of them is a lot more volatile, but it has a huge dividend it pays out each month. And whenever I get dividends, I usually throw that money back into that higher dividend yield stock. And then the other ones are my growth stocks, and I'll pump my money from the Amazon influencer into those stocks, which some of them give me higher dividends, other ones give me a little bit lower dividends, but the growth is a lot better. Most of them are ETFs, S&P 500 kind of stocks. So those are my long-term ones. That way, if anything does happen to the Amazon Influencer program, I know that 37.5% of my Amazon Influencer money has gone into the stock market and is going to continue to make me money over the lifetime. So I really like that idea because I don't know how long the Amazon Influencer program is going to be here. I hope it's around for a very long time. I hope I can continue to grow this business. But honestly, I don't know. Tomorrow I could wake up in the morning and Amazon could say, all right, I'm sick of giving these influencers money. I'm going to cut off the program. It's ended, done, and dusted. I have no clue. Or they can keep trying to tailor it. Our commissions might go lower. They might go higher. I've already seen huge swings in that. So Amazon, we're kind of at their mercy with that. So I like knowing that if I put some money in the stock market, if I make smart stock plays and I'm doing the S&P 500, all these nice ETFs, that I'll be getting a nice return. Granted, the stock market is always a risk, but I try to go with lower risk. Excuse me, still fighting the sinus infection. Sorry, I need to get a drink real quick. I love this gown. This is not how much I drank today. I just haven't refilled this yet this morning. But yes, the stock market is still a risk, but I know the stock market's going to be there. If I'm invested in S&P 500, that's throughout the years has outperformed most of the traded stocks. So if you have like a stockbroker or something making stock deals or whatever, S&P 500, you're making anywhere from 7 to 8% yearly. So it's a pretty safe bet that I'll be making that 8%, 7% every single year from the stock market. So I feel pretty confident putting that 37.5 into the stock market that way. But that is what I personally do. Let's go ahead and hop back in the computer real quick. So what do you want to see next? Vote in the comments below. Do you want to see my process for finding new items to make review videos on? Because I could break that down for you guys, and I hope that'd be extremely helpful. 2, what stocks I've invested in. Maybe you know absolutely nothing about stocks, kind of like I did a few years ago. I've just recently started really diving back into investing in and doing a lot more research on them. But if that is something that'd be helpful and you want to use what breakdown I use, I could give you all the stocks I'm investing in currently and why I think they're a great idea to invest in. 3, how I pick the stocks to invest in. So I'll break that down, like I said, tell you all the stocks that I do, and we'll just go into a little bit more detail on that. Or 4, how to deal with challenges in the Amazon Influencer program. So how to tackle the low days, if you're not getting your videos accepted, what you can be doing differently, what you may be doing wrong. We can break that down into a lot of different subcategories as well. So go ahead and hammer that subscribe button if you're enjoying these videos. And please vote in the comments below for the next informative video, and I will get on that sometime during this week. All right, thanks for checking in on Sunday, and I hope to see you guys this week. Have a great day.